I found an excellent shop light for you. The Barrina shop light is easy to install, but has a couple different options on how you can mount it. It comes with everything you need to install: a short chain hanging from the ceiling. That chain hook then inserts into the light with no fastening required. It's as simple as that. This typically mounts off the ceiling or even directly into the ceiling itself, but in my case, the ceiling is very high, so I'm going to fasten it to the overhead pipes instead. I will show you mounting to the ceiling later in the video. This shop light can be installed in any location. Your unique installation may vary. I wrap the chain around the pipe and secure it onto the other side. The instructions tell you exactly how far apart to hang the two chains. Here the pipe is a little higher, so I'm adding another chain that didn't come with the kit, secured with an S-hook. Then I'm hanging the final chain off of that so it drapes at the same height as the other. And now the light can be mounted, just like I showed you before. The power source is just a simple plug. You can neatly run the cable to an outlet of some kind or switch. Here I'm going to give it a test, and it is very bright, as you can see. Remember, I'm going to be showing the mounting to a ceiling soon. There's an outlet built right into the light, so you can chain multiple shop lights together. For mounting off the ceiling, the kit comes with everything you need. Start by pre-drilling the hole for the anchor. You want it a little smaller than the size of the anchor, but big enough you can insert it without breaking it. Insert the anchor and screw into the hook. That is what you will mount the chain to. From there, it's the same as before. You can also mount it without the chain, directly to the ceiling. This time use the screw and leave a little gap. Don't screw it all the way in. You will insert the light and lock it off to the side, leaving it secure. You can mount it from the chains, or directly to the ceiling, or some other modification like I did here today. Regardless, you now have a bright shop light for your late nights, and you can attach a switch or button or whatever you'd like. I knew you could do it yourself, and I'll see you next week.